Want to dive into coding? Ready to explore the world of robotics? Many kids find coding hard to grasp. Feeling stuck trying to learn Python? Discover ARC Computer Training Institute Zirakpur, an engaging platform that makes learning Python fun and effective. With ARC, enjoy personalized training, interactive sessions, and dedicated support. How it works. With ARC, coding becomes exciting. Join one-on-one online training via Zoom. Engage with interactive lessons tailored for you. Address your unique questions and concerns. Unlock your potential in coding. Master skills for robotics and game development. When you learn with ARC, you gain a solid foundation in Python as a stepping stone, skills to advance in robotics and game creation, flexible learning that fits your schedule. Excited to start? Join ARC. Begin your journey into coding and robotics today. Join now.